All right, we are here today at Lebanon Hills Regional Park. It's the first time being here for me. Like most of these parks, this is kind of a new thing. I don't usually go to these regional parks. I usually go to wilderness areas to do my hiking, but started checking out these regional areas. Some of them are pretty nice, some of them not. Anyway, today we're at Lebanon Hills. It's a 6 miles loop that we're doing today. Let's see, where is Lebanon Hills? It is about, gnats, 30 minutes south of St. Paul, Minnesota. Wow, the gnats are out today. It is a beautiful day today. I'm not sure what the temperature is. It's probably around 65. It is a gorgeous day, partly cloudy. Oh, that's way off. It is 57. Feels warmer. But hey, you know, when it's early in the spring, that's how it goes. Wow, look at this view behind me here. See that? Well, it's off to a great start already. And this would be lake number 2, the Bridge Pond. Interesting name. Alright, here's the very end of Bridge Pond, which literally flows into Lily Pond. Beautiful. So, off in the distance there a little bit is O'Brien Lake. I think this is about the closest I'm going to get to it. O'Brien Lake. Here's Portage Lake. All right, we are at Lake Schultz. I'll show you a picture over here in a second. We're about halfway, 3.9 miles, or 2.9, I'm sorry, about 3. And here's Lake Schultz. Wow. So I'm going to stop here and take a little break for like 10-15 minutes. Have some applesauce. Dakota Lake, ladies and gentlemen. Dakota Lake. Glorious. All right, everybody. So I did end up taking a wrong turn. We're arriving here at the parking lot. You can probably hear the trucks and the cars. But I ended up taking a wrong turn and added like almost a half a mile, like 0.4 miles onto the route. But then it ended up meeting back up with the trail I was supposed to be on, so that was good. But yeah, it was actually a pretty nice place over here. A lot of area. It was hard to find the right trail because there was hundreds of intersections turning every which way. Half of them weren't on the map. It was insane. But guided GPS pulled through for me. Showed me the way. All right. That's it, I guess. Signing off.